Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do today. Yes, you're so right. Guava drink or guava juice. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to know when D Dawn upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Guys, without you I wouldn't be here on YouTube. I thank you for your continuous and your generosity towards D Dawn Kitchen. Peace and love, and let's get started with our guava juice. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 1 lime or lemon, a piece of ginger, ice, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of sugar. The star of the show here is the guava. And you see how this guava is looking pretty, guys? Very pretty. Here in the US, the guava is different. Jamaica, I'm telling you, you get the real guava in Jamaica. So I went to Jamaica and I bring back some guava to make this guava juice. So this is ripe and this is green. When it's green, it's like looking like this. But we are not using the green one. I'm just demonstrating, showing you the ripe one. So I'm not making a lot of the guava drink or guava juice, so I'm using this small guava because I'm going to use the guava to make other recipe. In a bowl, you have to ensure you wash the guava, or you can do it under running water. Okay, you see this water is dirty, so you have to ensure you wash the guava properly, and then you're going to rinse with some water. Also, you have to wash the ginger and the lime. So after we rinse, we're just going to use half of the lime. So let me cut the lime. But remember, it's just one guava we're using, so I don't need a lot of lime in it. I will be extracting the juice of the lime or lemon. So we're going to slice and cut the ginger. I'm going to chop your ginger. The ginger is always good for you to use in your drink. But you don't want to use too much because it's a thing, it will burn your throat and it will burn your mouth. So if you're gonna make more guava drink, like you're gonna use 2 guava or 3 guava, you just want to use more sugar, more lime, more water. Just add more double portion of stuff. I like a lot of ginger in my juice. And suppose you know, when ginger is good for the digestion. Now we're going to cut the guava. So you just want to remove the top right there, and we're going to cut up the guava. Let me slice the guava in 2. You see this guava, oh, it looks different from the one here. Yes, this is the guava I used to when I'm growing. You saw it red and rich. Yeah, the guava here, when I buy them, it's white. You know, so I was so happy while I was in Jamaica to see these guava. This is the guava I grew up on. And you can eat it just as it is, you know. You just cut out, spit out the seed. You bite it up and eat it. And you spit out the seed because the seed them tough. So that are the guava. And we have the lime juice, and we already cut up the ginger. So I'll just set this aside. And we're gonna come over with our blender. After we finish all of this, we're gonna add the guava to your blender or to your NutriBullet, to the jug. Pour the water in. The guava, it's thick, so if you use too little water, then it's gonna be too thick, and you don't want that. So with the ginger and the guava, that's all we need in this for now. We're gonna cover and we're gonna place on the NutriBullet or your blender, and we're ready to blend up. Guys, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed and you like what you see. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when they done upload a video. So here we go. So now we will be straining the guava. After you're done blend it, you have to strain it. So what the ginger do, guys, when you using the ginger aid in digestion and reduce blood sugar level. It can also boost your immune system. And it enhances the flavor of the juice. So don't hesitate to add some ginger in your guava juice or your guava drink. And remember to like and share the video, hit the notification bell, and share the video with friends, family, share the video with co-workers, subscribe. When you like, guys, when you make a comment, leave a like, just give a thumbs up. It's free of cost. There is no charge to like the video. So when you rub the guava out, strain it through the sieve or your strainer. You see, this is a seed. The guava have a lot of seed, so you can't sweeten the guava with this. You have to ensure that you strain it. So these are the seeds, and it's really tough. Just show you, it is tough. You can't even crack it with your teeth because I tried and it cannot be cracked. So always strain the guava, right, guys? So this is how you want it to look. You don't want it too thick or too thin. And then we're gonna add our lime juice in it. Remember the lime that we squeeze, put your lime juice in. And if you want to sweeten, as I told you, we're gonna add a little of the vanilla, the quarter teaspoon. It enhances the flavor of the guava, but don't use too much for it to overpower the guava juice or guava drink. So if you want to sweeten with honey or you want to sweeten with sugar, go ahead and do so now. If you want to add more sweetener, depends on your likeness, go ahead and do so now. I thought it was in the NutriBullet, it's a bit frothy at the top. You can always skim off the froth. You don't need no coloring whatsoever to your guava drink or your guava juice. The guava itself gives you that coloring. That's nice color. You see that nice peach color it have? Just remove the froth. So remember, we have our cup of ice here, and we're just gonna put the guava drink in it. Beautiful people watching the video today, and you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. I love you all. Take care. From D-Don kitchen to your kitchen. Peace and love. Enjoy your guava drink or your guava juice. I love you all, and I see you on the next one. Bye.